Hi all, welcome back to my video content of C. This is Sahana Shri from EC second year. I'm gonna now explain a program that finds out intersection of two arrays. So intersection in the sense common elements. So if you are giving two array of any sizes, so the program finds the common elements that it means the intersection of the two arrays. Okay. Now let's go into the program. So as usually we have given the header file and then the function. So I'll explain this function void find intersection later. So first we go through the main function of the program. So this is the main function. Integer variable of size 1 and size 2. Here printf, in the printf statement we have asked the user to enter the size of the first array. So you can see this printf statement is here. Enter the size of the first array. I have given 3 as the input, so you may give any number as of your wish. And then here getting the number, first size of the number using scanf statement. So this is the printf statement and 3 is given by as input by the user, and it is got through the scanf statement. And then for similarly these two lines are again executed for second one. Before that we are getting the first array elements. So integer array 1 of size 1, so we have given 3, so array 1 is of size 3, and a for loop is initiated here, and for getting the first element. I think you are aware of this very well. And then similarly what we have done for the first array is done to the second one also. So yeah, printf statement, we ask the user to enter the size of the array first, and we are getting that as the input, and then we are fixing the array size. Here array 2 is the name of the second array, and then the elements are received as input. We are asking the user to enter the elements using printf statement, and we are getting it through the for loop. Here we have mentioned as scanf statement, and now we are going to call the function. Okay, so this function plays a very important role in finding the intersection. Okay, so in main program we have just got the input alone. Okay, our main concept is to find the intersection. Okay, so we are calling the function find intersection. We are passing the arguments, that is array 1 and array 1 size, array 2 and array 2 size, at last return 0. So as this one executes and comes here, the program terminates. The function is called, and then the function part is executed, and then it returns back to the main function, and this return 0 is executed, and then the compiler terminates the program. Okay, okay, let's discuss about the function here. So we are return the function above the main program main function. So yeah, void, so the function is gonna return nothing. Yeah? As you can see that we have just called the function, and we do not specify any variable that returns or stores something here. So void is used here, and the function name, and inside the parenthesis we are receiving the arguments, we are receiving the parameters. So as we are sending an array here, it is a type of integer array. We are mentioning integer here, and we are receiving it through pointer. So the main concept of finding the intersection is by using pointers here. Okay, so here we use pointers. Similarly size 1 is also an integer. Similarly size array 2 also we are getting using pointers, and size 2. So here intersection of two arrays. So we are printing, we are going to print the output so that the user it will be more easy to understand. So we are printing this line, and then we are using this for loop. In the first for loop we are making the first array size array with the iterations, and in the second in a for loop we are iterating with this array of size 2, second array size. In both we are incrementing, so we are going in a forward direction. We are using, as of I told here, we are accepting those elements parameters using pointers. So we are using a pointer to access the array elements. So here array 1 plus I in the sense. So array 1 here it accepts only the starting address, right? So as we are using pointer, you are aware that it always accepts the starting address of the array. So here also the starting address of array 1 is get from that, and here also starting address of array 2. So we are using here array 1 plus I. So in this case address is incremented with the integer variable. Okay, so if the address starting address of array 1 is 1000, here 1000 plus I is of integer type, so 4 bytes. So 1000 plus 4, 1004. So the next element's address is 1004. Similarly here also, hope you understand. Then if this both elements, as we are iterating two loops, so it will be going through n into n's, like 3 into 7 in the sense So if the array size is 4 and the second one is 3, so 4 into 3, that is m cross n or n cross m number of times the loop is iterated. So if the array numbers are equal, then it is printed, and then if in the loop is break and other iteration is continued. At last, print new line, because every time when the iteration goes on, we have to print a new line. So yeah, I hope you understood this program. Here I have given the example input output. Thank you so much.